Hello everybody, this is Andrew. I just wanted to let you know we are under a winter storm warning and a wind chill warning with up to a foot of snow today. Very heavy snow is falling. The heaviest snow I've seen in quite a long time. We are having the heaviest snow. See that? Oh, look at our tree. Heaviest snow I've seen in quite a while. Oh, that's my dog. See, he wants to come out, but I can't let him out right now. See, look at all the trees with snow on them. Heaviest snow I'm ever seeing. With over a foot of snow today with a winter storm warning. Wind chill warning because tonight it's supposed to get down to 15 below zero with wind chills at 40 below zero. The coldest air in over 20 years for Indianapolis. Yeah, this is Indianapolis. A foot of snow with temperatures at minus 15 with wind chills at minus 40. Very cold. Over a foot of snow today. Winter storm warning and a wind chill warning. Well, hope you guys have a nice winter and New Year's and everything. 2014. Today is January the 5th, 2014. January the 5th, 2014. Well, there's our fire pit out there and our chairs. Bye!